Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning, good morning. Bagunara, everyone manchi at home. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, Bagunara, everyone manchi at home. Yeah, very good, very good. So if students are manchi, teacher will be also manchi, directly proportional. Yeah. Miru manchi, nenu manchi. Nenu manchi, miru manchi. Directly proportional. Directly proportional. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. So what's going at home, chilling or studying? Kya ho raha hai ghar pe? Preparing well for your NEET exam? Preparing well? Chilling in studying, sir. Okay, very good. Chilling with studying. Yeah. Sir, we also chill, sir. But we chill in we are not normal people, sir. So we chill with a different manner. We chill with study. For us, study is not a burden. For normal people, study may be burden. For us, study is also a type of chilling. Am I correct? Am I correct? At least for coming 5 6 months, at least for coming 6 months, study is chilling for us, sir. After that it will be burden. Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. And Pansa did not take the class in the morning because yesterday night very heavy rainfall happened. Yeah, in Vijayawada very heavy rainfall happened, flood also came. I am coming by swimming in the water. Today I'm not coming by my car, I'm coming by swimming in the water. On the road everywhere, water is there, so I am a good swimmer. You have seen that in river swimmer problem. So I was just swimming and coming. Yeah. Pawnee is saying only 180 days are left. Yeah. Okay, Pawnee. So you have to work hard. 6 months are left. So 180 days are left. So you have to work hard. Okay, no problem. No problem. No problem. Yeah. So shall we start with the class? Shuru kare? Shall we start with the class? I became Ithagadu. Yeah, okay, no problem. Up to how many days class will continue? Very soon it will be. Why you did not? Because I carry two clothes. Realme, thoda dimag lagao. I'm coming in by swimming, so I took two clothes. One cloth I put in a plastic. After coming to the campus, I changed the cloth. Yeah, if you want, I can show that cloth also, which is weight cloth. Means while swimming, I got weight. Now that cloth also I can show you. Do you want to see it? Do you want to see it? Okay, no problem. Yes, sir. This is the cloth. You see, this is the cloth. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So we'll start. Yeah. Hairstyle is not changed by anything. There's a permanent gel, which when I sleep also, then also hairstyle will be like that only. Okay, no problem. Permanent gel is there. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So let's start. Yeah. So can you tell me what we studied in the last class? Any idea you can give? I think we were talking about impulse, change in momentum. Did we study if the ball strikes the surface making an angle theta with the normal, change in momentum will come 2 mv cos theta. If the angle width is with the surface, then 2 mv sin theta. That is done. Glancing angle. Yeah, glancing angle I said. With the surface angle is glancing angle. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. So from there we will start. Okay, no problem. Now one more type of question is asked from there. One more type of question. So one thing is clear. If the ball strikes with speed v and rebounds with the same speed v, can you tell me what is change in momentum of the ball? Striking with v, going back with v. What is the change? Change in momentum will be 2 mv. Yeah, okay, no problem. So everyone remembered all these things. If the angle is with the normal, then 2 mv cos theta. If the angle is with the surface, 2 mv sin theta. If the angle is with the surface, that is also known as glancing angle. Okay, no problem. Now we'll move further. Yeah. Acha, one question is asked. Just see here how we'll be talking. Yeah, I can tell you with the help of this example. Just see. Acha, tell me, if this is a piece of a very famous question. 3 questions I will talk back to back. All 3 are very famous and simple questions. Just little brain you have to use. Yeah. Acha, tell me, for example, if this is piece of paper is there, if I remove my hand, what will happen to the piece of paper? If I remove my hand, what will happen? If I remove my hand, what will happen? It will fall. Due to which force it will fall? Due to which force it will fall? Why it will fall down? Due to gravity. Of course, sir, gravity will be there due to gravity. Acha, you tell me, is it possible to keep this paper flying in air without touching it? Right now I'm touching it. Without touching it, is it possible to keep it flying in air? Is it possible to keep it flying in air? Without touching, you can keep it flying in air by throwing air from your mouth. Actually, what happens when you blow air from your mouth, the air which go, they have momentum. Once they strike the paper, they lose their momentum. Their momentum changes. So on the air molecules, force acts. Reaction of that force will come on the paper. And if that reaction force is equal to mg, this paper will keep on flying in air. Yeah, once try, I can try, but you have to exactly match. Okay, I can try, no problem. You see, this is there. I will make it go up also. If I apply more momentum, more change. Are you getting the point? Are you getting the point? What I'm trying to tell? So question is asked where they will say you one metal disc is there. They will say one metal disc is there and a person is firing bullets from below. And due to firing of the bullet, this you can do like this, na Baba. It will be like this. You see, every time bullet will hit, it will keep on flying in air. So question is asked to write the question. You write the question, right? A metal disc of mass capital M, a metal disc of mass capital M is kept flying in air. A metal disc of mass capital M is kept flying in air by firing bullets each of mass m, by firing bullets each of mass m, by firing bullets each of mass m. If each bullet strike the metal, if each bullet strike the disc, if each bullet strikes the disc with speed v, if each bullet strikes the disc with speed v, then find, if each bullet strike the disc with speed v, then find the number of bullets fired per second. If each bullet strike the disc with speed v, then find the number of bullets fired per second. Then find the number of bullets fired per second. If two possibilities will be there. If first possibility you write, if first one, each bullet comes to rest after striking. Each bullet comes to rest after striking. Second, each bullet rebounds back with same speed. Each bullet rebounds back with same speed. And more probably, second situation happens with the bullet and metal disc. You have seen in the movies also. But we are talking about both situations. If each bullet comes to rest just after striking, second situation, each bullet rebounds back just after striking with the same speed. So they are asking you find the number of bullets per second. You can assume, let's assume some number of bullets fired per second to be n. Then you can find the value of n. Always remember, each bullet striking the disc has momentum. After striking, its momentum is changing. If momentum is changing, force is acting on the bullets. Reaction of that force will come on the metal disc. If that reaction force balances mg, it will keep on flying. Bikram, first answer is correct. In first situation, change will be mv. Second situation, change will be 2 mv. Because in first situation, bullet is coming to rest. So initial momentum is there, final is 0. Leave your copy, no problem. See here, see here, see here. Understand how to deal with this type of question. Just see here, okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. So first one will come mg by capital mg by small m into v. Second one will be, Second one will be coming as capital mg by 2m into v. Leave your copy, no problem, no problem. Just here how we'll be talking. Just here, very famous question, can be asked directly in your NEET exam. Yeah. First situation, nmv equal to mg. Second situation, 2nmv equal to mg. Leave your copy, leave your copy. Just see here, leave your copy. Just see here. Yeah. Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. I will simply say, sir, what is happening in the question? You are saying there is a disk. There is a metal disk, sir. Okay, metal disk is there. Mass of the metal disk is given as mg. So this metal disk always wants to fall down due to its gravitational force. Mass of the metal disk is given as m. This metal disk always want to fall down due to gravitational force mg. Now someone is saying, sir, it is not falling down. In the question they are saying you metal disc is kept flying in air. How that is possible? How I can keep a metal disc flying in air? For that they are saying you by firing bullets. Actually what is happening? Continuously you are firing bullets. Continuously each bullet has mass small m going with speed v. They are striking the disc. When they are striking the disc, their momentum is changing. When momentum is changing, force is acting on the bullets. Reaction of that force is coming on the disc, due to which your disc is being flying in the air. Now just see here. Yeah. First situation they are talking about two situations. Let's talk about more important is the second situation. But you will understand second situation only when you understand the first situation. I will simply say, sir, what is said in the first situation? Each bullet comes to rest. Rest after striking. Rest after striking means, sir, before striking, initial momentum of each bullet is mv. After striking, final momentum of the bullet is becoming 0. This is what is said now. Each bullet comes to rest after striking. So before striking, their momentum mv. After striking, momentum is becoming 0. So for one bullet, what is the change in momentum? For one bullet, what is the change in momentum? That will be coming as mv. Initially mv, final 0. So change in momentum, magnitude of change of momentum will be coming as mv. Now they are asking you find the number of bullets fired per second. You can assume, let's assume, sir, n bullets per second. N bullets per second. This is the change in momentum of one bullet. If you fire n bullet, can you tell me what will be the total change in momentum? Jaldi batao. For n bullets, what is the total change in momentum? This is a change in momentum of one bullet. For n bullets, n mv, 10 bullets, 10 mv, 5 bullets, 5 mv, n bullets, n mv. This is a change in momentum of each bullet. If n bullets are fired per second, total change in momentum will happen nmv. And in how much time this change will happen? Can you tell me in how much time this change will happen? How much time? 1 second. N bullets per second. In 1 second you are firing n bullets. So in 1 second total change in the momentum is nmv. So now you have total momentum divided by time. And what is that time here? 1 second. So this is the force which will act on the bullet, and reaction of this force will go to the disc. And if disc is not falling down, this will be equal to mg of the disc. So from here I can say for the first case, sir, we are going to get nmv equal to capital M into g. Done. Bolo. Everyone got? One bullet mv is the momentum change, n bullets nmv is the momentum change. Time taken is 1 second because we are assuming n bullets per second. If tomorrow they say n bullets per minute, then time will become 60 here. Are you getting? If they ask you find the number of bullets fired per minute, so per second also you can calculate and then multiply with 60. That also you can do, no problem. Yeah, this is for first case. For second case, can you tell me where will be the change for second case? Where will be the change for second case? Each bullet strike, rebound back. What will be the change? Yeah, now change. Yeah, final will be not 0 now. Their change in the momentum. For one bullet, change in momentum will come 2 mv. So total change in momentum, if each bullet is striking and coming back, rebounding with the same velocity, change in momentum for each bullet will come 2 mv. So total change will become in 1 second, total change will become n into 2 mv. If you divide by time 1 second, you'll get the force on the bullets, and reaction of this force will be acting on the disc, So this is the force on the disc, and this will be equal to mg of the disc. That means from here I can say 2n mv will be equal to capital M into G. Done. Bolo. Everyone got? Yeah, okay, no problem. So this is a famous question which is asked. Tomorrow they will give you the values, just substitute the values, you will get the answer. So this is the process that we do, and we can get very easily. If someone says, sir, person is not standing below the disc, he's standing and he's firing bullets like this. Then, and here they will say it is rebounding back with the same speed. Then, can you tell me what will happen here? Here you will say 2n mv cos theta will be equal to mg. If the angle is given with normal to the disc. Same concept. Now change in momentum for each bullet will become 2 mv cos theta. So n times, so n into 2 mv cos theta. Done, everyone got? Bolo. Now one last situation we are going to talk from here, then we'll start with some more cases. Okay, no problem. Achha, you tell me. Sometimes you have seen in the movies now, many movies you see, villain or actor takes out gun from their pocket. They will have one gun here, very stylish gun. They will take out from their pocket and they fire. Tak. Is it really happens like that? Balia don't take out the gun. He fired the gun from his mouth. He can catch the bullet with from mouth. Balia, I'm not talking about Balia, I'm talking about normal people. Yeah. Have you, does really it happens like this? If I give you a gun, you'll take out the gun and fire, tak, everyone will be killed? No. Every time bullet is fired, force acts. That's why military people get the training. After getting selected in military, it's not like that. They will directly send you to the border and you'll take the gun and you'll kill all the enemies. Impossible. Every time you fire the bullet, force acts on your hand. That's why army people never take out gun like this. You'll see they will carry gun like this. They will carry gun over their shoulder. It rebounds back. So many things are there just here. So here our target is, assume a situation where one gun is there. Okay, no problem. Question is asked. If the person fires n bullets per second, assume mass of each bullet m coming out from the gun with speed v. If n bullets are fired per second, n bullets per second, I am firing n bullets per second. They will ask you what is the force acting on the hands of the person. Can you tell me how much force will act? Again, same concept. Before firing, you tell me what is velocity of each bullet before firing. What is velocity of each bullet? Yeah, very good. Many people are saying the answer. Yeah. Before firing, velocity of each bullet is 0. After firing, velocity v. That means for each bullet, initial momentum is 0. After firing, final momentum is mv. How many bullets you are firing per second? N bullets. So total change in momentum will become, for one bullet change in momentum will become mv. For n bullets change in momentum will become n into mv. And how much time taken? Time taken is 1 second. So force acting on the hands of the man will be n mv. Done. Bolo. Easy. No need to remember them. That's why I'm explaining you in detail. So that when question will come, you will read the question, understand the question, then you will solve. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all this situation. We'll move further. आगे बढ़ेंगे. Once you complete, you can say done, sir. And once I will say done, sir, you will start saying done, sir. No patience is there. Hunger is there. Hunger to become doctor. So hunger of knowledge is there. Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to move further. Now we are going to move further and we are going to talk about one more type of situation. We are going to talk about some specific type of questions. For example, normal reaction, lift man problem, for example, connected bodies, for example, contact bodies. These are known as common problems in mechanics. Common forces in mechanics, you write common forces. We'll talk about some of the forces and we will also talk about how to find their value. Common forces. Common says, come on. So can you give me example of some of the forces that you have seen in physics? Common forces, any example you can give, which are used so many places, somewhere. Normal reaction. One is normal reaction, then tension, friction, normal reaction. Tension, friction, normal reaction. These are the forces that we are going to talk now. These are the forces that we are going to talk. Friction will also come at the end of this chapter. Right now we'll talk about, and always remember all these questions. Someone will say, okay sir, I know the type of force, but how I will solve the question? Numerical will be solved by the basic of Newton's second law, where we say net force, not force. People write force equal to mass into, that is wrong. Net force acting on the body. If many forces are there, you have to consider their resultant. Net force acting on the body will be equal to its mass into acceleration. This equation will help us to solve the question. And direction of your net force and acceleration will be same. If acceleration is upward, net force will be also upward. If acceleration is downward, net force will be also downward. Is it okay? This will help us to do all the question. So you can write F net equal to mass into acceleration. Force equal to ma is wrong. Net force equal to, that is only used when single force is there. When many forces are there, we have to take their resultant. Net force will be equal to mass into acceleration. And first, I took lottery right now. In lottery, first common force came is normal reaction. You can write first normal reaction. We'll talk about normal reaction. We'll talk about normal reaction. Normal reaction. So can you tell me what is normal reaction? What is normal reaction? So two type of people we have: normal people, abnormal people. So the reaction which is normal is known as normal reaction. The reaction which is abnormal is known as abnormal reaction. What is normal reaction? Perpendicular. Always remember, whenever two bodies interact, now they have action reaction between them. Now perpendicular component of that reaction force is known as normal reaction. Normal word means perpendicular. Normal, for example, what is meaning of normal reaction? Normal reaction, for example, my hand is there. Now my hand is there. Now if I press my hand with the thumb, so once I will press my hand with the help of thumb, my thumb and hand will have reaction force between them. So this force which is coming from my hand on my thumb is acting perpendicular to it. So this force is known as normal reaction. Whenever two surfaces press each other, I am standing on the ground, so due to gravity I am pressing the ground, so ground will give one reaction to counter that gravity. That force is normal reaction. Whenever two surfaces press each other, my cheeks are there, if I press my cheek with force, my cheek will also apply force on the hand. This force is known as normal reaction. Whenever two surfaces, you write, whenever two surfaces presses each other, whenever two surfaces presses each other, they develop a reaction, they develop a force. Whenever two surfaces presses each other, they develop a force perpendicular to the surface. perpendicular to the surface of contact, known as normal reaction. Known as normal reaction. Normal means perpendicular. Known as normal reaction. Achha, can you tell me which type of force is normal reaction? You know, we have gravitational force, we have electromagnetic force, we have strong nuclear force, we have weak nuclear force. Which type of force is this normal reaction? Which type of force? No one is saying anything. Electromagnetic. When you put the two surfaces due to when you press the two surfaces, distance between their molecules become very less. So repulsion starts. Due to that repulsion, they try to put them away from each other. So they apply reaction force. So normal reaction is a type of electromagnetic force. You write it is a type of electromagnetic force. It is a type of electromagnetic force. All the forces that we study in physics are generally electromagnetic. Spring force, tension, normal reaction, friction, all are electromagnetic force. Done. Yeah, now we will talk about one situation. We don't have to see normal reaction all the time. We have to see one situation. Ajay, tell me, for example, if I'm standing on the ground right now, can you tell me how much normal reaction ground will give to me? How much is the normal reaction from the ground on my body? mg. Your weights are mg. It will be equal to mg. Achha, tell me, does normal reaction will always remain mg, or it can be more than mg also? Can be more also, can be less also. Is it possible to have normal reaction 0? Is it possible to, I am standing on the surface, but still normal reaction is 0? Yeah, all possibilities are there. All these things we are going to talk. So be focused, thoda dhyan se. Be focused, thoda dhyan se. See here how we'll be talking. For example, yeah. Assume I am having a table. Assume this is a table, no problem. On the table, one block is there. A block of mass m is kept on the table. Once you keep the block of mass m on the table, gravity will pull it down by gravitational force mg. It is said that block is at rest, table is at rest, block is at rest, acceleration of the system right now is 0. Now, once you keep the block on the table, now due to gravity of the block, due to gravitational force, block will press the table. Once it will press the table will give it normal reaction. But right now you can see acceleration of the system is 0 now. Acceleration 0, you know now, net force on the body will be equal to mass into acceleration. But since acceleration is 0, net force will be also 0. Net force 0 means these two forces will balance each other. So right now, value of normal reaction between block and table is mg. Are you getting the point? Bolo, 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 bolo. Everyone got? Yeah, okay, no problem. Now see slowly. Now see the second situation. Assume same block is kept on the same table, same block of mass m is there, but now table is going upward with an acceleration a. If table is going upward with an acceleration a, block is also going upward with an acceleration a. Now someone says, sir, still if you talk, gravity is still pulling it down. Normal reaction is still acting, but now system is going upward with an acceleration a. Now, can you write the equation for this block? Net force, can you write net force? You tell me net force, I should write mg minus n or n minus mg. I know net force will be mass into axis. Shall I write n minus mg or mg minus n? N minus, because it is going up na. Table going up means block going up. Block going up means acceleration is upward. Acceleration is upward means net force must be upward. If net force is upward, that means n must be more than mg. So from here, if you write equation, it will come n minus mg will be equal to the net force on the block. N minus mg will be equal to ma. So from here, normal reaction will become m into g plus a. Similarly, if you see the third situation, for example, someone says, sir, same block is kept on the table. Again, mg is there. Again, it is pressing the surface. Normal reaction is there. But someone says it is going down. Table going down means block also going down. If block is going down, can you tell me which force is more on the block now? N or mg? Mg is more. That is making it to go down. So now you will write equation for this. Mg minus n will be equal to ma. So from here I can say n will be coming as m into g minus a. So this is for zero acceleration, this for upward acceleration, this for downward acceleration. First you can write this. Then I will tell you one magical thing. Acha, can you tell me what is the name of these diagrams? What is the name of these diagrams? These diagrams are given a special name. Free body diagram. But you know, in NEET, there will be not even a single question where you need to draw free body diagram. Directly you can do. Directly you can do. Basic understanding is required. That's it. Everyone has written. Just see the three situation. One thing I will tell you, this will help you to do many questions, because every time we'll not have that much of time now that I will draw the diagram, I will write the equation, solve the equation, then answer will come. We don't have that much of time every time. So I can do direct. This is a simple situation. If complicated 2-3 blocks are there, it will take 3 days to draw the free body diagram, write the equation, get the answer. See how to get the answer in one line. Just here. If you observe carefully, these 3 diagrams are saying you something. That whenever you need to find normal reaction now, you have to do adjustment in G. Here it was G, here G plus A, here G minus A. You are not doing anything. No need to write equation. Directly you will say, sir, what is happening? That's why I draw all this thing. You will realize that no change is happening in M. Change is happening only in G. This G is known as G effective. Always remember, whenever you have to write normal reaction always write with the help of N equal to M into G effective. Effective, this is G here. Here G plus A is the effective value of G when system goes upward. When system goes downward, G minus A. So this is known as G effective. And always remember, when system will go upward with an acceleration A, G effective will become G plus A. This is the proof. This is the proof going upward. In place of G, what you will use? G plus A. If system goes downward with an acceleration A, you will use G effective as G minus A. Someone says, no sir, my system is falling freely. My system is falling freely. Free fall means your G effective will become 0. Because you know free fall means downward acceleration equal to G. So if you put here, it will become G minus G, it will become 0. No, normal reaction will not be negative. Yeah. Everyone is getting idea. No need to draw diagram, nothing required. Directly solve question treating it to be G. At the end, put G plus A if the system is going upward. Put G minus A if the system is going downward. If it is free fall means downward acceleration equal to G. So G minus A, G minus G will give you 0. G effective 0. You'll get in free fall, G effective will be 0. Done. Bolo. Achha, can you tell me? Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, okay, And if someone says you, these are not the cases. Only these are the 2 cases. Sir, upward going G plus A, downward going G minus A. From here only this is coming. Or someone says body goes upward with constant velocity, or body goes downward with constant velocity. Both means acceleration is 0. If acceleration is 0, what will be your G effective? Either going upward you will use G plus 0, it will come G. Going downward you will use G minus 0, it will come G. So for constant velocity, G effective remain same as G. A very common mistake, students think constant velocity means G effective. No, constant velocity means acceleration 0, not G effective 0. So G plus 0 or G minus 0, you will get same G. Done. Now, any complicated question you can do without drawing any diagram. Only 2 things required. You tell me if the system goes upward with an acceleration A, what is G effective? Upward with an acceleration A, jaldi. G effective, G plus A, G plus A, G plus A, G plus A. If system goes downward with an acceleration A, what is G effective? G minus A, G minus A, G minus A. Achha, if the system falls freely, what is G effective? Falls freely, G effective, 0. Constant velocity up or down, G effective, same as G. Constant velocity means acceleration 0. So g plus 0, g minus 0, it will give you g. Okay, no problem. Done. No problem. Now one more thing. Yeah. If someone says your system goes upward with retardation, then you will take A as minus. Are you getting the idea? थोड़ा ध्यान से देखा, otherwise you'll get confused. If going upward means you have to use G plus A. But acceleration can be positive also now. Acceleration can be negative also now. If it is retardation, take that sign negative. If someone says body is going downward with an retardation, again you will use G minus A, but now A will be negative. Are you getting? No need to change in the formula. Formula mat change karo. You'll get confused. This is a very beautiful thing given for G effective. Everywhere you can apply. If it is retardation, going up with retardation, A will be negative, sir. I will put minus value there. I will use minus 2. Are you getting the point? Bolo, 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 bolo. Don't start using this. You'll be confused. Same formula you have to use every time. Done. Yeah, okay, no problem. Now be focused. Yeah, okay, very good. Now, for example, this is a simple situation we can get. We will use this in liftman problem. After this, we'll talk about liftman problem. There I will use all these things. Okay, no problem. But before that, for example, sir, one block you gave, I understood, sir. One block you gave, I understood, sir. But someone says many blocks are kept one over another. For example, I'm keeping 3 blocks. Block M1 is here, block M2 is here, block M3 is there. Now here what will happen? Yeah, Pawan, yeah, correct, no problem. Now here you tell me how many places pressing between the surfaces will happen. At how many surfaces are there? 3 surfaces are here. Pressing, here also pressing will happen, here also pressing will happen, here also pressing will happen. So question is asked, what is normal reaction here? What is normal reaction here? And what is normal reaction here? Can you tell me what will be normal reaction each contact? Right now said system is at rest. Acceleration of the system is 0. N1 will come how much? N2 will come, yeah, Sindhu correct, Vivo correct, Gagandeep correct, Chinmay correct, N2 will come, yeah. I think everyone got the idea, everyone is getting the idea. For example, this is based on very basic thinking process. Just see here, okay, no problem. Here normal reaction will come, at this contact normal reaction will come, M1 into G. At this contact, pressing will happen due to both blocks. Here, both blocks together will press the surface. So, N2 will come M1 plus M2 into G. N3, here pressing will happen due to all 3 blocks. So, M1 plus M2 plus M3 into G. Are you getting the idea? Bolo. If you don't get idea, see here. For example, 3 blocks are there now. Assume one block is myself. I am one block. This is another block. Dekho dhyan se. You tell me whose weight this box will feel? Whose weight? Does box will feel my weight? Does box will feel its weight? No. Whose weight box will feel? Remote weight. So here normal reaction will come M1G due to the block our weight. You tell me whose weight my head will feel? Only block and remote. So that's why here normal reaction will come M1 plus M2 into G. Whose weight ground will feel? All of us 3. That's why M1 plus M2 plus M3 into G. But this question will not come. They will say this entire setup is in a lift. They will say this entire setup which you are seeing here is present inside a lift. And lift is going upward with an acceleration A. Then they will ask you this normal reaction. So calculate like this. At the end, replace your G with G effective. That is in this situation, G plus A if going up. Replace G effective, G minus A where it is going down. Samjhe kya? In place of G, you will just use G plus A if it is going up. If it is going down, in place of G, just use G minus A, nothing else. Don't involve yourself for drawing the free body diagram. It will take 10 minutes. Done, done, done. I will give one question to check. 2-3 blocks I will give. I will check whether you are getting or not. Yeah, okay, no problem. This is a famous question. NCRT question which I am going to get. NCRT has just given bad values. Yeah, all these things are explained in NCRT also. Yeah, I will give you one question. There is a famous question also. This is a block of mass 2 kg. This is a block of mass 4 kg. System is going upward with an acceleration A equal to 2 meter per second square. Gravity given, G is given 10. Now you have to tell me how much normal reaction will come here, how much normal reaction will come here. Find G effective in the beginning only. So G effective I will get. Now I know due to what comes there. Raghu correct, Vivo wrong. Pagal ho gaya ho kya? G effective will be G plus A. Raghu you are correct. आश्वक रॉन्ग, क्या कर रहे हो? 48 क्या हो गया? 2 and 4, 6 is there. 6 into 12, 72. 24 and 72 will come. Ashwak has done calculation mistake. Geetika correct. Sindhu correct. Tina correct. Come on, do everyone. Karthik correct. Joshita correct. Tab A correct. I think everyone will get. So what's so big deal, sir? First thing, okay, sir. System is going upward. Now let's find G effective. I know when system goes upward, G effective will be coming as a G plus A. G is 10, A is 2. So this will be coming as 12. No free body diagram, nothing, sir. You want normal reaction here. You want normal reaction here. Now I know here weight of this above block will come. So here normal reaction will come M into G effective 12. That will come 24 Newton. Sir, here normal reaction will come due to both of them. So what is the total mass? 6 into G effective 12. This is 72 Newton. Done. Bolo, ho jayega. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. Now we are going to move towards our connected problem from here, from normal reaction. That is liftman problem. You write liftman problem. Very important. At least 6-7 questions are given in NCRT exercise related with liftman problem. So very important part. Yeah. So be very careful. Liftman problem. I'm asking from yesterday only what is man means Manishi. What is the Telugu of lift? We say na Varsham Manishi Samasya, rain man problem. So liftman problem. Lift Manishi Samasya. Lift Telugu I'm not getting. No one is. Lift to. Lifta. Yeah. Better to say lifta. Yeah. Lifta. Yeah. Achha. Lift in Hindi. People are asking. Lift in Hindi. Yeah. I have to check. I know it's there. Oh. Okay. Lift in Hindi is elevator. Yes. I got now. Yeah. In Hindi, lift is known as elevator. Gagandeep. In Hindi, lift is known as elevator. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So see here. Okay, no problem. Acha, then in Telugu it is escalator. Wow, Gagandeep, बहुत आगे जाओगे, बहुत ऊपर. Wow, be focus here. Just here. Okay, no problem. Now be focused. Just here. One, yeah, liftman situation again. Very important part. Yeah. Okay, just here. Acha, in liftman problem, what will happen? There will be a very nice lift. Very nice lift means inside lift all the facilities are there. All the facilities are there in the lift because we are going to put a man in the lift and we are going to move the lift up and down. So no one will go in that lift. So in order to make people go in the lift, we are providing facility in the lift. Inside the lift, laptop is there, free Wi-Fi is there, burger is there, pizza is there. Now you'll say, sir, remove that man, we will go in the lift. Full AC is also there. So there's a lift. Yeah, very nice lift. Yeah. Inside this lift, there is a man of mass M. Okay, no problem. And no one will go to the home, sir. Yeah, here you can do whatever you want. Yeah, if some facility is not there, you can call. Then they will provide everything. Whatever you want in the life, everything is present in the lift. Okay, no problem. So, but what is there at the bottom of lift? one weighing machine is there. Here we are having a weighing machine because we are going to see reading of this weighing machine. How much reading this weighing machine will give. So this is what will happen. Tomorrow we'll move the lift up with an acceleration A. We'll move the lift down with an acceleration A. We'll make the lift fall freely also. First you can draw this, then we will talk about this situation in detail. Very, very important. Okay, no problem. So finally, ultimately, we'll measure weighing. Achha, what is weight of a body? What is weight of a body? What is weight of a body? What is weight of the body? Gravitational force mg. Gravitational force mg. Gravitational force mg. Weight of the body is defined as gravitational force exerted by the earth, that is mg. Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. Achha, tell me, does weighing machine measures this gravitational force mg? Does weighing machine measures gravitational force mg? Huh? No, weighing machine don't measure weighing machine measures normal reaction. Or assume a situation, I am standing here, in front of me one weighing machine is there. If I don't sit on the weighing machine, how much reading it will show? It will show reading 0. Does that mean my weight is 0? Does that mean my weight? No. Once what actually happened, weighing machine never measures your gravitational force mg. It measures normal reaction. Once you go on the weighing machine, you press the weighing machine gives you reaction. That normal reaction is recorded in the weighing machine. Always remember, you write this point. Weighing machine never measures mg. Weighing machine never measures mg. Weighing machine never. People fool you by saying like that way measure your weight. Weighing machine never measures mg. It simply measures normal reaction. It simply measures normal reaction. Weighing machine never measures mg. It simply measures normal reaction. And just now you saw a normal reaction can be equal to mg also. Normal reaction can be more than mg also. Normal reaction can be less than mg also. Normal reaction can be 0 also, depending on G effective. Depending on G effective. So this is what happens to the seer. Always remember, true weight of a body. True weight of a body is gravitational force mg. But weighing machine never measures gravitational force mg. What it measures? Normal reaction. How much you are pressing it will measure. It measures normal reaction. So always remember, reading of weighing machine is known as apparent weight, which may be equal to true weight also, when acceleration is 0. But actually reading of weighing machine is normal reaction, that is apparent weight. Now assume the situation. For example, assume the situation. You are in the lift. This man is in the lift. Lift is going upward. What will be reading of weighing machine? You will simply say, sir, reading of weighing machine means normal reaction. And I know, sir, if it is going upward with an acceleration A, G effective is G plus A. So normal reaction will become M into G plus A. Reading will be more, M into G plus A, if it is going upward with an acceleration A. Second situation, someone says, sir, if the lift is coming downward with an acceleration A, then reading of weighing machine will become, reading of weighing machine is normal reaction. That will become G effective, downward. G effective will be G minus A. So M into G minus A. This will happen when lift is coming down with an acceleration equal to A. Yeah. Third situation. Someone says, sir, what will be reading if the lift is falling freely? Someone went to the top of the lift and he cut the cable. Lift is now falling freely. If the lift is falling freely, reading means normal reaction. It will become M into G effective. G effective is 0 in free fall. It will become 0. This will happen. 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 Yeah, this will this will happen when lift is falling freely falling. This is known as free fall of the lift, free fall. And since your normal reaction is 0, reading of the weighing machine is 0, this is known as weightlessness. You'll feel that your body don't have any weight. This is known as weightlessness. Fourth situation, if someone says, sir, lift is going up or down, lift is going up with constant velocity, or lift is going down with constant velocity up or down, you know, acceleration will be 0. G effective will be same as G. G effective will be same as G. So now you'll get your reading as, reading means normal reaction, that will be coming as M into G. And here your true weight and apparent weight will be equal. True weight and apparent weight will be equal. Bolo, 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 bolo. Yeah, correct. That's correct, Karthik. Samjhe kya? Nothing new. Don't think any new thing I'm asking you to. That G effective, G plus A going up, G effective downward, G minus A. Sir, free fall, G effective 0, weightlessness. Going with constant velocity, G effective is G, so reading will be same as mg, and mg is also true weight. Ashwak now knows why his weight is more. Yeah. So always remember, people normally do what? People normally do what to reduce their weight? What people normally do to reduce their weight? What Pansar is doing nowadays to reduce his weight? Dieting. But always remember, weight is not only reduced by dieting. If someone comes and say, people are going gym, not required to go. If someone comes to you and says your weight has become more, you should take that person in the lift. Take that person in the lift, take the weighing machine and make the lift to go down and stand on the weighing machine. Ask him to see the reading. Automatically weight will be less. If still that person is not satisfied, ask some friend to cut the cable of the lift and ask that person, dekho wahan pe reading 0. That person will become mad. Yeah. Okay. Pansar I have suggested, but he's not listening. What I can do? Yeah. Pansar I have suggested that. Okay. No problem. But he's not listening. Kya karu bhai? Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Acha, you tell me one more thing. Last thing here. Okay. No problem. Simple question I will give you. Okay. One more thing I want to tell you from that question. Okay. Acha, if downward acceleration becomes more than G, if the lift is going downward with more than G, then what will happen? More than G means more than G, downward acceleration more than G. Does your normal reaction will become negative there? If you going downward with M, N will be M into G minus A. Now, someone said it is going downward with A greater than G. Then what will happen? Does normal, if you put here greater than G, does your normal reaction will become negative? No, there man will rise from the floor. Because lift has a machine. Always remember, lift has a machine. I can make lift to fall with G also, 10G also, 20G also. But you are a human being. With how much maximum acceleration you can fall? With how much maximum acceleration you can fall? Bolo. That is G. So if lift will go with more than G, contact between man and lift will be broken. Still normal reaction is 0. It will never become negative. Still normal reaction is 0. But now what will happen? Man will lift the floor. Man will rise from the floor of the lift. This is what will happen. I can show you also. No problem. Yeah, I can show you also. See, this is what will happen. Lift. This is the man. This is the lift. You see, I can move lift with any acceleration because I have the force. I can apply force on the lift, but this will fall with only G. You see, if I move with more acceleration than G, what will happen? Did you observe it? Dekha kya? I have to move little fast, so you have to observe little fast. Dekho fir se. Dekho. Are you able to see? Can I do that experiment? Bolo yes or no, Baba. Time is not there. See, I will move it very fast. I will move it very fast. Did you saw? Yeah, I will move it even more fast. Did you saw it fly in the air? This is what happened. Still no contact, no normal reaction. I think everyone got the idea. This time everyone got the idea. I move it very up. And this is the reason why you see astronauts flying in air. It's not gravity free space. People say, you see the movies, astronauts are flying in air. People think that is how it can be gravity free space. That spaceship is rotating around Earth due to gravitation also. How it can be gravity free space? All these things happen due to G effective, due to normal reaction. It becomes zero. That's why they feel weightlessness. And their acceleration is many times more than G. That's why they fly in the air. Are bolo 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 Twarga. There is no place in the universe which is known as gravity free. Everywhere gravity will be there. Gravitational force acts up to infinity. Are you getting the point? So don't think gravity free space. That is hypothetical. It is possible. You can fly. But your lift has to come from this is how, when Neil Armstrong was, you can watch the video on YouTube, when Neil Armstrong was going for moon, those astronauts who went to the space for the first time, they don't have any experience of gravity free. So they were allowed to fall from a very large lift with acceleration more than G so that they can feel weightlessness. When weightlessness comes suddenly, your mind will be chalked. Because you think a situation, you wake up from what is meaning of weightlessness? You are pressing the surface, but pressing is not happening. The surface is not there. That is the meaning of weightlessness. For example, you wake up in the morning from the bed, you put your leg out of the bed, you put on the surface, but ground is not there. What do you feel? What you will feel? That is the feeling of weightlessness. Yeah, you will be like, ye kya ho gaya? मैं जिंदा हूं या नहीं हूं जिंदा. Our existence is due to the pressing surface. We press the surface so that we feel that we exist in the world. Once you've not pressed, you'll not feel that. And this is the reason why roller coaster you see, they come from very large height. People in that will be shouting. Why they are not shouting? They are fear. They're showing that shouting to hide the fear. Fear is there. Because they're close to weightlessness, otherwise they will fly there. That's why in giant wheel also, that's why in those roller coasters they will put this one also on the body. Otherwise roller coaster will come down, you will go up directly, Tirumala. Okay, no problem. So I think everyone will be able to do one question. Come on, do one question. Come on, do one question. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Enough gyan given for weightlessness. In flight, sometimes you will experience weightlessness. Those who have gone now, while the flight has gone through bad weather, they suddenly fall. They fall little bit because clouds are there, very thick cloud is there. So flight is coming like this, going like they make it to fall little bit. Then they go like this. So when they make little free fall, your body will be, even if you are sleeping now, you will be awake. Just it will happen for microsecond. You will be awake. Ye kya ho gaya? Yeah, it is like that. Feel like don't worry. No need to take that much of feel. See the question, do the question. You write, a man of mass, you write, it comes, heart attack comes for 1 second. It is like that. You write, a man of mass 60 kg is standing in a lift. A man of mass 60 kg is standing in a lift. A man of mass 60 kg is standing in a lift. Find the reading of weighing machine. Find the reading of weighing machine. Find the reading of weighing machine. If the lift goes, find the reading of weighing machine. If the lift goes, first you can write like this, upward with an acceleration of 5 meters per second square. Second, downward with an acceleration of 5 meters per second square. Third, fall freely, A equal to G. Fourth, upward but with constant velocity of 5 meters per second. Fifth, downward with constant velocity of 5 meters per second. In all this situation, you have to tell me what is reading of weighing machine. Ashwa correct, 900, 300, 0, 600, 600. Yeah, I think everyone will get it is going upward with an acceleration A. So reading will come, sir, M into G plus A. 10 plus 5, this is giving us 900. This will give us M into G minus A. Going down, na G minus A. So 10 minus 5, this will give us 300. Now this is A equal to G free fall. I already know G effective 0, sir. So here reading will be 0. This is your weightlessness. Man will not feel weight. He will become mad. Constant velocity means acceleration 0, sir. So G plus 0, G minus 0 doesn't matter. It will remain G only, sir. So here normal reaction will be coming as mg. M is 60, G is 10. So 600 Newton. This will be also going up or down with constant. This is part where you will do mistakes. Silly mistake happen here. Be careful. Be careful. Velocity constant means acceleration 0, not G effective 0. Yeah. So this will be coming as same N will come 60 into 10. That will be coming as 600 Newton. Is it okay? But have you seen anyone standing on the weighing machine? Weighing machine is showing reading 900. Have you seen? Actually, reading of weighing machine is calibrated to kg weight. Kg weight. What happens? Whatever the reading, this reading it will not show. It will show all these answers are in Newton. But reading of weighing machine is we get in the terms of kg weight. And always remember, kg weight means weight of 1 kg. Weight of 1 kg means 1 into 10. So 1 kg weight is actually 10 Newton. So all the readings are calibrated to kg weight. So 900 it will show 90 kg weight. We generally don't say, because every day we use so, but we don't say, but it's not 90 kg weight. Are you getting the idea? This will give you 60 kg weight. How we do things in everyday life. When you go and ask, give me 2 kg of sugar. Actually, you are not asking for 2 kg of sugar. You are asking for 2 kg weight of sugar. That is the calibration done in the machine, weighing machine. Done. Bolo. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all this situation. We'll move further. Aage badhenge. Again, if someone says lift is going upward with retardation. So you'll draw a diagram like this only, but you'll put A here -5. And that -5 you'll substitute here. Are you getting the idea? That will not come in the NEET. In the NEET, they will not ask you. These tricky things are designed by people of the coaching institute. Question asked in the NEET will be plain question based on G effective. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all the situation. We'll move further. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Yeah. So we completed normal reaction. We completed liftman problem. Now we are going to talk about connected bodies. You write connected bodies. We are going to talk about next type of question where we'll talk about connected bodies. Connected bodies. What is meaning of connected bodies? What is meaning of connected bodies? Means 2-3 blocks will be there. They will be connected. They will be connected. How these bodies will be connected? How these 2-3 blocks will be there? They will be connected. How? With the help of a string. So here our target will be to find acceleration of the system. Second target is to find tension in the string. For example, someone gave you, I think you can find, someone gave you 3 blocks like this. For example, with the help of this example, I will explain you, no problem. Yeah, someone gave you one question like this. He said, this block has mass of 2 kg, this block has mass of 3 kg, this block has mass of 5 kg. You tell me if I pull this block A, B and C. You tell me if I pull the block C, what will happen to A and B? They will also move? Yeah, if anything happened to mom, that effect comes on you also now. If your mom will feel little fever, you'll also think about her now. Why? If one auto driver will have fever, you'll not feel anything. But if your mom will have fever, you'll also start feeling my mom is a why? Connection, connected, connection, same connection we are talking. If you pull this block, for example, if I pull the block C with a force, someone says, sir, I'm pulling the block C with a force of 100 Newton. Now what will happen? Not only C will move, A will also move and B will also move. All the three blocks will move together as a system. But you tell me, who is responsible for motion of block B? Does that 100 Newton is responsible? Does that 100 Newton? No, you have not applied on it. How it can be responsible? So responsible factor is actually what happened once you pull, string become tight. Once the string become tight, tensions come in the string. Here tension developed T1, reaction of same tension will come T1 here. Here tension developed is T2, reaction of same tension T2 will come here. So first thing, if anyone asks you acceleration you can find in one line. Total force by total mass. Acceleration, net force by total mass. What is net force? 100. And what is the total mass? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So acceleration will come 10 meter per second. This is the easiest one which you have to always find, given, asked or not asked, doesn't matter. Done. So first question they will ask you, they will give you diagram like this and they will ask you find acceleration of the system, total force by total mass, because they will move together as a system. If they'll move together as a system, you can consider them as a single block of mass 10 kg. So 100 by 10, acceleration 10. Now, how you will find T1 and T2? How you will find T1 and T2? How you will find T1 and T2? Tell me what is T1? T1 will come 50. Very good, Tina. T2 will come 20. Very good. Ashwak, very good. Joshita, very good. Gagandeep, very good. T1 will come 50. T2 will come 20. Raghu, very good. Nayak, very good. Simple question, basic question you must have done. But since we have to talk, that's why we are talking about this situation also. No problem. See here. Those who are feeling any problem, see for 2 seconds. It will not take more than 2 seconds. Yeah. Always remember, wherever such question comes now, solve without taking the middle block. Middle seat, no one likes now. If you take the middle block now, it will make your calculation unnecessarily lengthy. So always, because you like to sit in the middle seat, do you like the middle berth in the train? You will okay with lower berth, you are okay with upper berth, but middle berth when come now, your face become like, kya de diya? What railway gave to me? So always remember, don't take middle block. You can take, but it will make things lengthy. So directly take first and last block. So if you take the first block, you will simply say system is going, and always mark the direction of acceleration. This will tell you which force is more, which force is less. Now we'll simply say, sir, if you look at block C, you tell me on block C, what are the forces acting on the block C? 100, tension is opposing it. So for block C, if you write the equation, for block C, you'll say, sir, 100 I applied, tension is opposing. So for block C, sir, equation will become 100 minus T1. Net force, 100 minus T1 will be equal to its mass, 5 into acceleration 10. So from here T1 will be coming as 50 Newton. Done. Bolo. Acha, why I did not write T1 minus 100? Who told you to write 100 minus T1? Why did not write T1 minus 100? Because 100 is more. It is going in this direction. This will help you at direction of acceleration. Similarly, if you take the last block, someone says, sir, that means we got T1, sir. T1 we got 50 Newton. Someone said me, sir, find T2. For T2, you can take this block also, no problem. But better I will take this block, because easily answer will come. For this block, what is the force acting? For block A, what is the force acting? Only T2, no other force. So T2 will be equal to its mass into acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is 10. Acceleration is 10. So mass into acceleration. T2 will come 20 Newton. So T2 will be coming as 20 Newton. You can use middle block to check your answer. You can use middle block to check your answer. You can check your answer also here. You can check your answer also here. Just here, I'll use middle block to check the answer. You see, for middle block, what are the forces? For the middle block, what are the forces? T1, T2. So T1 minus T2. T1 will be more na baba. It must be going in this direction. So for middle block, if you write the equation, it will become T1 minus T2 will be equal to its mass into acceleration 10. T1 minus T2 should be equal to 30. Check karo to. Check whether it is 30 or not. Check whether it is 30 or not. देखो check करके. 50 minus 20, 30. But we don't have that much of time. Don't start checking answer in the exam. Just draw the diagram like this, get the answer. So middle block is used to check the answer, not to solve. Can I give you one more last question from here? Bolo, bolo, bolo. Yeah, okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Yeah. And I will try to make it little tough also. One kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, LKG. You have to tell me T1 and T2. T1, T2 and acceleration. Acceleration always you have to calculate whether asked or not. Doesn't matter. 1 kg, 2 kg, LKG. What is acceleration? Total force. Acceleration will be 1. 12 you are applying and this is the meaning of net force. Vikram wrong. Dekho baba kya kar raha hai tu? Acceleration will be 1. This 12 you applied, this 6 on the system. 12 and 6 are opposite. So they will cancel. What will the net force? Net force is 12 minus 6 by total mass 6. So acceleration will come 1 meter per second square. T1 7, T2 9. Correct. Very good. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Tina very good. Gagandeep very good. Ashwak very good. Geetika very good. Gagandeep very good. Raghu very good. Karthik very good. Joshita very good. I think everyone got the answer. Nothing to worry. Chinna question. I will simply say, sir, what's so big deal? What's so big deal? क्या बहुत बड़ी बात है, sir? What's big deal? This T1 will act like this. Reaction of T1 will come like this. Here T2 will act like this. Reaction of this T2 will come here. If anyone asks me T1, I will take this block. Middle block you can leave. To check you can use. For this block you tell me how you write the equation T1 minus 6 or 6 minus T1. How you write the equation T1 minus 6 or 6 minus T1. कैसे लिखोगे? T1 because system is going in this direction na. That is the direction of net force together na. So system is going in this direction. So T1 must be more. Then only you can write equation for this block. T1 is more. Then only it will go in this direction. So for this block, if you write the equation, T1 minus 6 will be equal to its mass 1 into acceleration calculated 1. So T1 will be coming as 7. Those who got the answer, check by using third block whether it is coming or not. Check by using third block. You'll find 9 minus 7 is 2. That is happening there. And for T2, you will select this block. For this block, if you write the equation 12, you applied 12. T2 is opposing. So 12 must be more. Then only it will go. So 12 minus T2 will be equal to its mass into acceleration 1. So from here, T2 will be coming as 9 Newton. Done, 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 done. Ho jayega kya? Everyone will be able to do. And for this block, if you check, you will realize that T2 minus T1 will be equal to its mass into acceleration. See here, 9 minus 7, 2. Answer checked. Shall we move further? आगे बढ़े क्या? हाँ, अच्छा, for example, here in place of giving you like this, if someone give you like this, same question. F given, force given, angle given theta, then what you will do? Nothing, just convert this into the same question, but don't take entire force. Now the force which is responsible for motion is only F cos theta. Calculate F cos theta, then convert like this, then do, you'll get answer. Because responsible force, vertical motion will not happen. It is not going to fly in air. So we'll take only force responsible for motion, that is F cos theta. Done, 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 done. Ho gaya, ho gaya, ho gaya. Now you write contact bodies. These were connected bodies. Now we'll talk about bodies in contact, which is again very easy to understand if you have done like this. Only tension will be replaced by normal reaction. Contact bodies. Contact bodies means we are going to talk about bodies in contact. Contact bodies. So contact bodies means things will appear to you like this. For example, two blocks are there. Let's assume this is a block of mass 3 kg. This is the block of mass 2 kg. You tell me if I apply a force of 10 Newton from this side. This block A, this block B. Which block will move? Which block will move? Both. Again, contact, both will move. So first question is asked. Find acceleration of the system. So total force by total mass. 10 by 5. Acceleration of the system will come 2 meter per second square. Done. But you tell me on which block I applied force. किस पे मैंने force लगाया? On which block I have applied force? On which block I have applied for block A? Then why block B is moving? Due to pressing between the two surfaces. When you apply the force on block A tries to move. So what happened? It pushed the block B. So due to contact force, this is again normal reaction. They will ask you find the contact force between the two blocks, or they can ask you find the normal reaction between the two contact surfaces of the block. You can find very easily. If you want, you can do like this. If you take 3 kg, then you have to write like this. 10 you applied, it pushed the block B, so block B pushed it back with force N. And reaction of this force came on block B, N. You can take any of the block to solve here. Any block you can say. For example, if you take this block, for this block you write equation 10 minus N. It is going in this direction, so 10 must be more. Will be equal to its mass into acceleration. From here, N will be coming as 4 Newton. If you take this block, no other force is there. So N will be equal to its mass. What is mass? 2 into acceleration 2. 4 Newton. बोलो बोलो, same like that. हो जाएगा क्या? अच्छा, again, if 3 blocks will be there, then if 3 blocks are there, then which block you will not take? Middle block. Ignore middle block. No one likes middle block. So why you like during calculation? So चलो बना लो एक बार, चलो. Tell me acceleration. Tell me this contact force N1 and this contact force N2. What you said, Vivo, I did not saw. In physics, what you said. Acceleration 3, 18. Total force 18 by total mass 6. That is 3 meter per second square. Raghu has said contact. Yeah, Raghu correct. Both correct. Very good. Yeah. N2 is coming 3. N2 is the easiest one to find. N2 is coming 3, N1 is coming 9. If you want, just do like this. Sir, I will select this block. And this block. For this block, sir, if you see for this block, sir, 3 kg, you applied 18. So what it will do? It will push 2 kg. So 2 kg will push it back by force N1. So what is the net force? 18 minus N1 will be equal to its mass into acceleration 3. So from here N1 will be coming as 9 Newton. Similarly, if required, sir, for N2, I will take this block. On this block, sir, which force is there? Only pushing force of 2 kg block. So N2, no other force. So N2 will be equal to its mass into X. So mass is 1, acceleration is 3. So this will be coming as 3 Newton. If you want, you can check for middle block also. It will be, answer will be, yeah, Ashwa correct, Sindhu correct. Everyone got, bolo bolo, done. So this is how we have completed our part. Connected bodies, contact bodies, liftman problem, syllabus IPO. Is it okay? More situations from here we'll be talking in our next class. For today, we'll be ending our class here only. Tata, bye-bye. I will see about that. Miss you, sir. Okay, no problem. What to miss next class again, I will come. Tata, bye-bye. Take care. Take care. Study well. Yeah. Puli is not there in the syllabus. Okay, yeah. Puli is not there in the syllabus. Bye. Take care. Study well. Bye. Pansar will take class in the evening. Tata, bye-bye. Bye.